Hey everyone! We are going to be making soy sauce honey chicken. 很好吃的, sangat sedap. And I'll also be showing you how to make simple plain white rice. Very easy. We measure with this pinky finger, the line here. Oh gosh, it's hot. So take off all your clothes. I am getting so hot. No. Okay, let's just start now, huh? First, let's preheat our oven to 200 degrees Celsius and place it at the top and bottom heat of the oven setting. Next, let's take our clean chicken. Here I'm using 4 chicken legs, but you can use a whole new chicken instead. I place all the ingredients out for you to see like this, but you can place it all at once in a bowl. Using your clean hands, coat the chicken all around nicely, making sure it's coated evenly. And then lastly, you want to put in the sesame oil. Reason being, oil repels non-fat liquid lah. Best to marinate this overnight in the fridge, or if you're rushing, at least 2 to 4 hours on the day itself. Take it out and make sure it's at room temperature before baking. And then you want to roast it, not baking. Roast it in the oven at 200 degrees Celsius for about 30 minutes, placing a foil paper on top to keep it from burning. Let's do our rice. Measure the rice according to how much you want. And then here I'm using filtered water to rinse it for about 2 to 3 times till it's less cloudy. Using the first line of your pinky finger, that's good to go. And then you want to put it in your rice cooker and let the rice cooker do its job. Once the chicken's done, let it rest for at least 5 minutes. And then check on your rice when it's done. Fluff it up with a fork like so. Ooh, this is good fluffy rice. Seriously, yum. Let's plate this up and we're good to go. One more thing, just want to show you guys how juicy and moist this chicken is. Don't worry about the darker parts of the chicken that says the caramelization of the honey. It is not burnt. And I repeat, to get this juiciness, make sure that your chicken is at room temperature before roasting. Good. This is so good, trust me. You can also actually do the same marinade if you're doing barbecue, and you can barbecue, oh my gosh. But if you do marinate this overnight, the flavor is even better. Let's try this now. Oh, look at the juices. Ooh, yummy, yummy, yummy. So delicious. And look, the rice that I made, so good. You know, Uncle Roger will be proud. Proper way of cooking rice, no straining. I don't care what you want to say. But in Chinese cooking, we don't wash our rice after we cook it. Sorry, not sorry. Baby, I'm sorry, not sorry. Delicious. Damn. Thanks for watching. Is it even recording? Thanks for watching my video. I hope you guys did enjoy that. And if you did, please do subscribe. Pressing the button below. Also, follow my social media links that will magically appear and pop at the side here. If you want to be updated with more future videos, do press the subscribe button. I think I already just said that, right? I hope to see you in my future videos. Outro music. Outro music. Because I'm not good at editing.